All right, so this lesson we're going to learn how to solve a multiple step equation. This type of problem is more like an 8th grade problem, so we're going to refresh your memory. That's why it says refresher. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at it and I'm going to see that I have 3a minus 9 equals 6a plus 12. I gravitate towards the variables first, so I'm going to look at 3a on the left and 6a on the right. They are on different sides of the equation, which means I cannot combine them because of the equal sign. But I do need to get them together on the same side of the equation. Now, it doesn't matter which side. I have a preference. I take the smaller coefficient and I move it over to the larger coefficient. So in this case, 3a is my smaller coefficient, and I'm going to subtract that from both sides. And what happens on the left is that these zero out. That becomes a 0. That leaves me a negative 9 equals, I'm going to combine 6a minus 3a. Now I have 3a's on the right plus 12. So now I need to isolate my variable further. That's that 3a term. And that means I need to get rid of the positive 12 or the plus 12. And the inverse operation is to subtract 12. So I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. That zeroes out and leaves me 3a on the right. Combine like terms, negative 9 plus negative 12 is negative 21. And I further isolate the variable by dividing by the number in front of the variable. So in front of a is 3. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. That changes to a 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1, leaving me a single variable a. And negative 21 divided by 3 is negative 7. So that would be my solution. A is equal to negative 7. Now you're going to practice more problems like these.